so well after the holidays, but I mentioned in a previous vlog about handcrafted Christmas gifts that I was going to do this year. In this video, I'm just going to share a few of them with you. So thank you for watching, and let's see what I did. Teachers' gifts this year were quite different. We did not do the mug, the gift card to Sonic. We did some hot commodity stuff. Disinfectant items are such in demand right now, and teachers and educators across the country are needing these. So we thought about our educators, and that's what we got them. And I also included this tea. It's not handmade, but it had some words that definitely describe our educators. And these handmade clutches are a fave. I love the leopard vinyl print, and I like the money size clutch. So I call this the money bag, and several ladies received these this year. Love this. This one, the handmade scrunchies, was a personal request of my daughters. I have a teen and I have an elementary kid, and both wanted to give these to a few friends and some teammates. And we picked out fabric in the school's colors, and we bundled these up to give these as gifts. The next are the personalized wood signs, and these were my fave. When I saw the wood signs plain, I knew exactly what I would use them for, so I picked up as many as I could, and I personalized each one of them to give to friends and families that we love. And I know that they would love these and could display them in their homes. Another request from my teen was a beaded bag dangle for a few friends and teammates, and I thought that this would be such a good idea to do. They could put them on their bags, planners if they have them, or purses. And I needed to also find a way how to get these packaged to where they just won't move around in a little bag. So I used some black and white cardstock that I already had on hand. This is scrapbook cardstock, and I cut it to size. It's approximately the size of an index card, and I used a very small hole punch to punch holes at the top and near the bottom. See, there's a very small hole that's perfect for small openings, and I had these really small twist ties that I had on hand, and I just used these to secure the dangle to the card. And when I used the cellophane bags to place the card in, it was like a perfect match. I love how these turned out. So these are just a few of the gifts that I happened to document, and I wanted to share them with you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and see what I'm going to create next. I thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, have a great day. Bye.